Hi, I'm Courtney, and I'm going to show you how to download a design file and upload it into Cricut Design Space. So I've clicked on the link and it brought me to a Google Drive location. I'm going to hit the down arrow or the download button to save it to my computer. You want to hit save and it will save to my computer. In my case, it saves it to my downloads. Each computer is a little bit different in where it will save. To find the file, you open the folder where it's located, and now we know it's saved to our computer. Now let's open our Cricut Design Space. We have a new canvas, and we're going to upload that image into our design space. Hit Browse, and go to the file location where it was saved, hit it, and open. Here you can save it and put tags on it to help with searching. And hit saved. Now it's saved in our design space library. Click on it and hit insert. Now it is in our project. I'm going to take the corner to size it down to fit the space allotted on my wine glass. I'm going to ungroup. Here is where you would be able to change any colors around. You wanted the Talk to Me to be white or any other colors. Here's where you would change that. I'm going to leave that. I'm actually going to make that black.
For 300 more craft tutorials, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit that bell. Thanks, everyone.
And I'm going to leave my lips red. You know what? I want these three little hearts to be red. So here's where you'd be able to change that around. I'm going to move the red layers next to each other, and I'm going to select all the black layers. And then I'm going to attach them so that they stay just like it is here when it goes to cut out. So it doesn't move things around on me for the black. So we're going to hit Make It. And I'm going to use Heat Transfer Source vinyl, adhesive vinyl. And I'm actually going to cheat and move this to the red object, to the red screen, because I'm going to use two smaller pieces of vinyl. I can get them both on the same mat without having to switch mats. So I'm going to put my red items over here and my black items over here. So when I lay out my vinyl on the mat, I'll put the black piece of vinyl over here and the red piece of vinyl over here. And because this is adhesive vinyl, we do not need to mirror, and we are ready to print it. So hit the continue button. Because I put all the colors in Design Space on one mat, I put the red adhesive on this side, and we have the HTS Heat Transfer Source adhesive vinyl. Black goes on the other side like we had it laid out in Design Space with adhesive. Colorful side goes up, paper side goes down, and we do not mirror image. Place it in our cutter and load. Now that everything is cut out, we weeded the lips and the hearts. Now we're gonna weed the words, but because there's so many words, so many little letters, I'm gonna reverse weed these. So that means that I put everything down on the transfer paper. Get it on there good. And now weed the stuff we don't want off. And hopefully most of the stuff we want down stays down. And the stuff we want to bring up, we can pull up. I just cut it along the way so we don't accidentally tape it back down because I've done that before. Now that we have our design weeded, we are ready to put it on our glass. A little bit of rubbing alcohol to clean the surface that we're going to put it on. Then you place your design. Sometimes I like to layer it before I put it on. Other times, especially on curved surfaces, I do not. I like to do it all separate so that I have more control, because the curved surfaces can sometimes give you a little bit of trouble. Moving from the inside to the outside. Now we get to place our lips. And our hearts. And our cup is complete.
For more tutorials like this, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the bell to be notified of all new tutorials. Thanks again, everyone.